Welcome back to Strong's Garage.
Yeah, you got Matt, Jim here.
It's Friday,
Yeah, Friday, December 2nd.
which is
The other special day if you're into a Model A.
yes, that's true. So December 2nd, 1927, Henry and Edsel Ford unveiled the new Model A Ford to the public.
Yeah, what a thing.
What a thing indeed.
It's been years since a
Yeah.
new model.
That's the biggest thing. You got to remember, Ford hadn't unveiled a new model since 1908. So this was a big deal.
Yeah, it wasn't come check out next year's model. It was,
Yeah, it was a big deal. So people, I was reading, unveiled in Kansas City, 650,000 people showed up to look at it. St. Paul, Minnesota, 250,000. New York, 200,000. All across Canada and the United States, people clamored to the Ford dealer to see their new car.
Yeah.
The Baby Lincoln, as it was known. Because prior to the Model A, Ford never had a design team. But anyway, Ford's design studio was Edsel, oversaw this car, who was in charge of the Lincoln line at the time. So the grills really look like a 28 Lincoln, and the fenders, and anyway, they are a cool car. The Model A Ford, arguably one of the best cars ever made in America, rugged-wise.
Hands down.
Yeah. And I read a thing years ago, I don't know if it's true or not, but when they drove the very first one off the assembly line, Henry couldn't do it because he couldn't drive a standard. Edsel had to do it. Whether that's true or not, we'll never know. But this 1959 Floyd Clymer book, all about the fabulous Ford Model A, which people have been restoring these since they were just 10, 15-year-old cars.
Yeah.
He paints the picture here. So we'll just get you in this mindset, which is pretty interesting. So the debut. Let's get to the debut here. Oh, man. Okay, the debut. Okay, here we are. And it was a Friday, same as today.
Yeah.
95 years ago.
Cold and snowy.
Yeah. The second day of December 1927. Dawn sullen and cold. Most of the nation was drenched in rain or pelted with sleet and snow. It was indeed a day to drive people indoors, yet millions of people were gathered outside Ford showrooms all across the land to get a glimpse at what they called the debut of the century, the new Ford Model A. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking.
Yeah.
So today, to commemorate the 95th anniversary of the unveiling of the Ford Model A, we're going to work on a 1930 Model A that Jim has here.
Yeah. Instead of collecting dust, now that we got that Chev cylinder job done, next on the list is, unfortunately, Matt gets hopscotched over this 36.
Yeah.
Onto the Model A.
Yeah, so we're going to do a Model A day today. We're going to pull the motor, right?
Yeah, yank that motor out.
And so I hope you enjoy it. We're going to do that. And what else?
Follow along with us into the shop.
Well, as we said, what better way to commemorate the unveiling of the Model A, the 95th anniversary, than to work on the Model A?
Yeah, try and get this thing ready for an unveiling of sorts before spring.
Before it's 100.
Yeah, exactly.
So Jim's Model A Ford, if you haven't watched the video, it came from Moose Jaw, Saskatchewan.
Yeah, it's beautiful, dry, original.
Well preserved. Original, yeah.
Yes.
Original paint. Very straight, very clean.
Yeah.
So the plan with this car is just to completely go through it mechanically and maintain the originality of the car.
Yeah, just a very drivable, original car. So we've got that B model lined up for it.
And a few tweaks to do to that. But the first order of business with any restoration is the easiest, which is disassemble it. The best part of this job will be when Jim's driving it. So we'll try and get to that point over the next while between projects. But let's get started. If you don't start, you can't finish.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. All right, well, let's get started. I'll take this rad cap off.
Oh yeah, a lot of good restorations. You just take off the rad cap, drive a new car underneath, and you're done. Fortunately, it's not that easy here.
Yeah.
This is the good car.
Yeah, so just take the hose off on the other side. There they are.
Perfect.
So if you want to pick up on the hood, I'll just lean this forward a little bit. We should be able to just slip it off.
You bet. Oh,
and away we go.
Too easy. Too easy.
Nice. But we're going to maintain all this original repair work here.
Oh yeah, real folk art.
Pretty common problem on a Model A that these break off the firewall.
Yeah, just vibration.
This all original welting, so we'll leave that because it's pretty neat. Just a preservation project more than anything. Yeah, Jim's car is equipped with the Autolite aftermarket heater system. So
yeah, for those cold wintry days.
Yeah, the air goes in through here, and we just take it off. No heater hoses to loosen or nothing. It's pretty neat. Heat exchanger. There it is.
Look at that.
Just blows by those fins and heats you right through there.
Oh yeah, nice, good exhaust heat.
Yeah. Instant heat. Okay, Jim. Right away.
1, 2, 3.
Beautiful.
Sweet.
Nice rad.
Yeah, I'll just give it a quick little
Tipperoo or drain.
Yeah, I'll drain it out. Oh, since making a bigger mess, and we can consolidate our mess to this area here.
Ooh.
Ugh. And you have to
Do a
a
flush
quick
on there.
vinegar flush, yeah. Cool.
Nice.
Give her a shake, and away we go.
Oops. Car's equipped with too many gauges. It shouldn't have all this stuff.
Oh, I know.
Temperature gauge, oil pressure gauge. My goodness. All right, there we go.
Highfalutin. They've gone ahead, removed the wire from the generator here, starter wiring, as well as the threaded starter button. What else is off here?
Oh, the fuel rods, fuel lines.
Controls, yeah. And Matt graciously removed some fuel lines,
took this one
fuel
line off.
rods. Exhaust has been disconnected.
Yep.
You know, we're just kind of closing into the inner works here.
Yeah, the inner sanctum.
Yeah, we've got the lower floor removed. Just working on the upper floor. Get our literal floorboards out of here.
Pull that e-brake back. Oh, it's all the way.
Oh, I just needed that extra little push.
Okay. We're lifting away here.
Yeah.
Started out as pulling the engine, ended up deciding just to pull the body.
Yeah, you know how it goes.
Yeah, these things escalate quickly.
Comes in for an oil change, and now you're hoisting the body off.
Well, let's do it.
Model A body lifting jig. I'll just wheel you ready?
Yep.
And we'll bring her down. You're all good?
Yep, keep coming.
Good.
Perfect. Can we go there?
Do that.
Down she comes. Just like that.
Do that. Cool.
And that's how you pull the motor in Model A Ford. Well, thanks for watching. That kind of escalated quickly.
Oh, that's how they all do.
Up and away.
Yeah.
No pressure, no diamonds, right?
Yeah, no pressure, no diamonds. Yeah.
So thanks for watching, folks. And thanks to the patrons. Have a great day. Happiness is a Ford Model A.